Hi everybody, this is Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Wednesday, March 25th. So looking at the markets today, I just want to make a remark here on the daily chart. You can see we've had a lot of volatility for the past 3 days, today included. I would even go back to Friday and Thursday, but what's unique about this week is that the markets make big upside and downside moves, but roughly close where we open. Same thing here. Yesterday on Tuesday, big upside and downside moves, closing near where we opened. And same thing here, very much today. Today is just after 2 o'clock. You have an upside wick testing the 200-day, downside wick roughly in the vicinity of the midline from yesterday. We are sitting right on top of yesterday's high. It is up about 0.6. But what this is telling me, how the market is kind of consolidating in this area below 6,600 and roughly 6,500 or even up to 6,525, is the market doesn't know which way to go. It wants to go higher and it pulls back, goes lower and it pulls back up, goes higher and lower and it opens. It's sitting where we opened. So the market has a lot of uncertainty which direction it's going to go. That uncertainty will lead to the potential of the market moving either higher or lower. I know it doesn't have a trend, is what I'm trying to point out. So be careful if you're swing trading over the next a day or so, because we don't really have an economic report on the docket that is capable of moving the markets tomorrow or even Friday. I know, the president can say something and make an announcement, escalation, de-escalation, and the markets will just continue to gyrate. Okay? So I think once we get some clarity on what's happening or what's not happening in the Middle East, the markets may take it from there. But just be very careful. Take advantage of the range-bound movement with income trades, and I think you'll be fine. Okay? Thanks a lot, everybody.